This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch home on approximately 0.356 acre in Westwood Heights subdivision in Greater Shelby. This home has new hardwood floors, new baths, updated kitchen, and has been freshly painted throughout. Kitchen, laundry room, mud room, and baths have tile flooring, and the remainder of the home has gleaming hardwoods. Family room has built-ins, French doors to the rear patio, and a brick fireplace with gas logs. Kitchen has a breakfast bar, tile backsplash, and plenty of cabinets. The refrigerator remains. Laundry room has overhead cabinets for storage. Primary bath has a tile walk-in shower. All of the rooms are spacious. The home has a covered front porch and a rear patio. The backyard is fenced. The storage building remains. This home is a must-see. For more information,